This video is for Africans living in the diaspora, living in Europe. I want us to listen and listen very good. My name is Becky. I have a bachelor degree in social work, specialized in international social work. I have a master's degree in social work, specialized in interventions in childhood. I live in Sweden. I'm a Cameroonian. According to the UN statistics, by 2050, majority of the children in the world will be from Africa. And the European social services have come up with a subtle way to destroy these children and destroy our families. All that the pretext of they want to help them. Majority of the children that I have been investigating, the reasons for them being removed from the biological home that was not a reason why you should remove a child. Every child that have passed through in a country like Sweden, their social services, none of them have come out with one piece. So they want to make sure that for them to keep up this white supremacy, looting, exploiting of Africa resources, they have to make sure that since their own population is declining drastically, our children that will be like adults by 2050 will be very weak adults. They will be adults that they don't have the resilience. They cannot talk back. They cannot fight back. So there's an ongoing war against Africans living in Europe. And the people fighting, they're using the European social services to destroy Africans and their families. As I'm speaking to you, in a country like Sweden, 32,500 children have been removed by the Swedish social services. And half of this population is from Africa. They're African children. And these parents are depressed, they're dying. These parents are they're just taking one day at a time to live. We need to come up as a community and fight. We need to come up with a way to dodge these people. I'm telling you this as a social worker. This is an ongoing war to destroy us. We need to come up with a community where we can talk about our challenges, our struggles. It's not easy. I know, but we need to come up with a way. The same complaint from Germany, from Finland, from all these countries. They're removing our children in numbers and they're destroying these children. They're doing it intentionally, just a subtle way to make sure they destroy our children, because we are going to have we are going to be the leading population by 2050. So we'll be having very weak population. Adults who are emotionally weak, psychologically weak, socially weak, adults that cannot even stand up and talk back or fight back. And that is their intention. So take note, I'm telling you this. We need to come out with a very strong community. If you have been a victim of this European social services, please inbox me, because this movement has to be very strong.
Èmi kúkú ti wí tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ n ò sì parọ́. Ìdílé Kristẹni pọ̀nbélé ni wọ́n bí mi sí, kódà wòlíì ní bàbá mi kí ó tó filẹ̀ sásọ́bóra, àmọ́ èmi ò sí lára àwọn tọ́lọ́run fún lẹ́bùn ká fèdè fọ̀, n ò ṣe é rí. Ẹ̀yin tọ́lọ́run wá fún lẹ́bùn pé kẹ́ ẹ mọ́ fèdè fọ̀, pàápàá jùlọ láàrin àwa ìjọ aláṣọ funfun ẹ̀dẹ̀lẹ̀. Irọ́ tí ń wọnú rẹ̀ lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ó ti wá pọ̀ jù. Láìpẹ́ ńlọgbẹ́ni kan tó lòun fa àyà yóò ní pé ń fèdè fọ̀. Ń bò wá dé gbèdéke kan mo dédé gbọ́ púpọ̀ náà àsàlámù lẹ́kùn, mo bá wò pé àwa lálẹ́dẹ̀ ẹ̀mí ọmọ kérúbù lóòótọ́, àmọ́ èdè ẹ̀mí lélẹ́yìn ní àbí ti lárúbáwá. Kí ló dé kí n kántankàntán ẹ̀wù ẹ̀dá dúró náà. Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi gbogbo, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, pàápàá jùlọ àwa ọmọ ayé òde òní bíi tèmi. Lára àwọn nǹkan tèmi máa ń gbé lárugẹ ní ọgbọ́n ńlá àti làákàyè tó pọ̀ tọ́lọ́run jogún fáwọn òbí wa ńgbà náà, tí wọ́n fi wá fún wa láwọn òwe tó jẹ́ pé dòní olónìí kò síbi tá àti lè lò wọ́n, kò sásìkò tí òwe ò bá lọ. Yóò bá jinlẹ̀ gan. Ẹ̀yin ẹ wo òwe méjì kan jẹ́ mú wá lónìí bá a ṣe ń wọnú ọ̀sẹ̀ tuntun lọ, ó ṣeé ṣe kárí ọgbọ́n kan àbí méjì kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Òwe àkọ́kọ́ rèé, àwọn bàbá wa lọ wọ́n bọ̀ wọ́n ní ọ̀bẹ sì ló ń bá ní ṣeré a ní kò mú, bí eré ó lè gbani níka lọ. Ọ̀bẹ sì ló ń bá ní ṣeré a ní kò mú, bí eré ó lè gbani níka lọ. Oríṣi ọ̀bẹ kan níjọ́bẹ sì lò, bàbá wa ń fi ṣe pé ẹ kò mú, bó bá ilé ṣèṣì géèyàn ń ka lọ báyìí ọ̀tán nù. Ọ̀nà tá a lè gbà lo òwe pọ̀ gan-an lóríṣiríṣi ọ̀nà, àmọ́ ẹ̀yin ẹ wo ọ̀nà kan báyìí pé ìwà burúkú wo ní ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ wa, iṣẹ́ burúkú wo ní ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ wa, tí wọ́n sì ti kì wá lọ pé ká dáwọ́ dúró àmọ́ tá a jáwọ́ ń bẹ̀, tí wọ́n ti wí fún wa títí àmọ́ tá a gbọ́ torí pé àti ìjìyà ń bẹ̀. Inú wa wà ń dùn yìnkìn. Ní Mẹ̀sí ilé nílẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà lọ́hùn nílùú bàbá tó bí mi lọ́mọ, olórin tí wọ́n máa ń kọ fún àgbà wa kékeré, wọ́n á ní Ùyá ń wá rí rẹ ó ti mọ ùyá ń wá rí rẹ ó ti mọ ọ̀jìyàn kòkò ọgbàgbé ìgànnà ùyá ń wá rí rẹ ó ti mọ. Èyí ò ní pé bí ìyà ò bá tí ì jẹ ní ìyà ń fi nǹkan kan panu lọ ni. Ẹ wò gbogbo ìwà burúkú tá à ń wù ní ìsìn tí wọ́n ń kìlọ̀ fún àtàǹgbẹ́ it doesn't matter bí ìyá rẹ̀ bá dé yóò màtà tí ó pọ̀. Èyí ń àkọ́kọ́. Òwe kejì rèé àwọn baba ńlá wa tún ní bí sí àgbẹ̀ bá ti ń di kíyè sílẹ̀ ó tó ká síwọ́ oko ríro. Bí sí àgbẹ̀ bá ti ń di kíyè sílẹ̀ ó tó ká síwọ́ oko ríro. ń bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé sí àgbẹ̀ ni kí wọ́n sánko kí wọ́n pàjùbà kí wọ́n gbé nǹkan kárí nǹkan jẹ orí ilẹ̀ náà tí sì ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí. Àmọ́ bó bá ti wá di pé àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń là lẹ̀ fàgbẹ̀ pé sọ́ra bó ṣe ṣe lórí ilẹ̀ ń o mọ̀jẹ̀ káàdà orin ilẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ń jù mọ̀jẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ orin ilẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ ń jù kó yá kó ń bẹ̀. Ọ̀nà tá a tún lè fi gbà lo eléyìí náà ọ̀pọ̀ àmọ́ ẹ jẹ́ á wò báyìí pé bóyá ó ní òwò kan tẹ́ ń bá àwọn nǹkan àbẹ̀ nìkan ṣe tó sì yé yín dáadáa tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ dúdúdúdú. Àmọ́ tó lójijì ìní ọba bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń gbé àwọn òfin awúrújú kan wá. Èyí ò ní pé àwọn ará bíi wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fún yín láwọn òfin kan tó yẹ pé ó yàtọ̀ sí tẹ́yìn mọ̀. Ẹ kóraró àwọn baba ńlá wa ní kẹ́ ẹ kóraró kẹ́ ẹ ṣọ́ra kẹ́ ẹ wò díẹ̀ kọ́rọ̀ náà mọ́ bá a di pé dúdúdúdú níjọba ńlẹ̀ mọ̀ dúdú rẹ̀rẹ̀ níjọba ńlẹ̀ mọ̀ rẹ̀rẹ̀ kò dúdú kó rẹ̀rẹ̀ níjọba ńlẹ̀ mọ̀ ké fún firifiri báyìí lójú rí mú bọ̀m̀bọ̀ làgùn tó ń wò ọlọ́mọdé àrógun alágbèdá làwọn baba ńlá wa ń wí. Ṣé ẹ rí i pé yóò bá dùn ó sì kí ẹ wò àwa bá mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ràn fọ́nrán yìí ẹ dákun ẹ bá ń taari rẹ̀ sẹ́lómi èyí ò ní pé ẹ bá ń share àbí kẹ́ ẹ rìpóòsì àkó àsìkò yìí.
This is the woman caught on CCTV violently degrading a frail 88-year-old man just days before he died. Carer Belikasu Olagunju was filmed manhandling dementia patient John Attard on Christmas Eve 2020. She stripped him naked in front of a window, dragged him across the floor, and ignored his cries of pain and threatened to beat and flog him. John's son had installed cameras after suspecting neglect. The next day, he found his dad unresponsive, with blood on his face. John died 10 days later in hospital. Olagunju had only been a carer for 6 days. She admitted neglect and walked free with a suspended sentence and 50 hours unpaid work. John's son, Chris, called the sentence an insult. He says his dad never recovered from that day. The CCTV left him traumatized, and now he's living with memories no family should ever have.
No going back. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré lọ wo fídíò yìí báwo ló ṣe rí.
Alakomisi yin bidame kasibin kola balisawu alatila kun abusa kun amura fasoburu jemilu wallahu musta'anu ala ma tasifun wajati sayyaratun fazilihu dalwawun.
Wallahi rubbish lẹ́sìn.
Any woman that fights or calls her husband's girlfriend will be sent to 10 years in jail.
So, tẹ post tẹ bá wa post ńjọ́ yẹn.
Lánàá post lánàá
òun nìyí. And in tí mo tiẹ̀ fẹ́ reason tí mo fi ń ṣe fídíò yìí ni wípé mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá wa tọ̀mọ́lẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dáadáa because mo rí àwọn.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Kọ́mẹ́ǹtì kan nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn nínú ìgbà tẹ́ post yẹn mo rí àwọn kọ́mẹ́ǹtì kan kò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí bí wọ́n ṣe ná gbogbo ara ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí dísìn kò jẹ́wọ́ fún wa ibi tó lọ o a gbé lọ bí iṣẹ́ bíi 8 ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ gbé lọ tó jẹ́ pé kò dúró níṣẹ́ ló ń lọ ló ń padà so so nísìnyí báyìí reason tí mo fi wá ṣe post yìí ni pé torí àwọn tó ń comment yẹn pé bóyá bọ́gẹ̀ ni àbí ìkọ̀kọ̀ àmọ́ pẹ́ o àmọ́ bó ṣe rìn on the 2 láti mú lọ diṣẹ́ Àràbù pé wà ní on the 5 pé ó ti sá kúrò nílé òun ó ṣílẹ̀kùn ó fi lé Àràbù lẹ̀ ṣíṣí ó sá lọ.
ẹgbẹ́ kí ní sójú rẹ̀ dáadáa ò ní.
So òun ni wọ́n ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ ó ń gbà tọ́jú gan lọ́wọ́ báyìí ni ó tún níye tó tún kó sí ẹlẹ́lẹ́ni sí ìyọkọ ẹ̀ ló gbé wá o pé kó wá ṣoríire kì í ṣe pé ó gbé wá pé kó wá ṣiṣẹ́ pé kó sanwó fún àbí nǹkan kan àbí bá o irọ́ o ó gbé wá ó help ẹ̀ ni ó wá sá kúrò ní Àràbù olóòlé ṣiṣẹ́ àwa dẹ̀ ní òòlé àlè mú ẹ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ aṣẹ́wó ló fi sá kúrò ní Àràbù bọ́ a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run bó ṣe ń sọ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́kọ́ lọ́rọ̀ rí o ọ̀rọ̀ ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá ẹ ṣe mà.
Yes, so my people, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending where you're seeing this video. It's still your girl, the only ugly girl in Libya. So you're seeing these comments on this post. A lot of people were like talking, how can somebody sleep with this kind of person? How can somebody knock this kind of person with her condition? So this video I posted this morning, the girl actually said, yeah, the madam knew about her sickness. She knew she was buying slowly due to she has not completed her money. The burger no gree leave am. He still continue to use them. Go they bring men, make men, they knock am, they comot, they enter, they comot. This girl was suffering a lot, passing through a lot with her health condition. When the thing never choke am bad to this extent, the burger was using her, bringing men to they enter her because they comot, enter, make them comot. Now, a lot of people were like saying, it's not possible, it's not possible. I want to talk about that part. Hello, come closer, watch me very well. You see this country called Libya, a lot of Nigerian guys, a lot of Nigerian women, men, where they burger people, they come. A lot of them if we have 100% burgers in this Libya, you can only see 30% nice to their jadid. You can only see 30% nice. 70% their heart is on their back. They don't have human conscience. They don't pity anyone. If you like make you dey buy, they go make sure say they go use you till they collect that their money from you. Whether you dey buy, you no concern them. And those people, they end up losing, having issues from here to here, from here to here. Even they end up, those money they are using those girls for, they end up not achieving it. Now one thing or the other, fake life, now they chop the money from themselves. So this is real. This girl you're seeing cannot forge something. Even they sold her. She don't even know her burger. They sold her from one person to another, from one person to another. Are you seeing it? So for those of you that is saying, how can people knock? Let me talk about that part. Hello, come closer. This video is for you. You say this because a lot of men are desperate. As far as say you be woman, you get this thing. Wait till they know, because they want knock, may they get themselves. They know they look face. Now here then they look. As far as say you get them. Then do you, then go come out. And those kind of men, when they see people like this, they go overuse the person. Then go overuse the person. So more than they talk say, this girl, she's not good, no man. See, you see Niger guys, Niger guys, some Ghana guys, Chad guys, Burkina Faso, a lot of African countries, Sudan guys, a lot of African countries, they will be say their men will not even they okay. They know they look whether you they good. As far as say you get this thing, they go knock you waiting no good. They go knock your equals come on water. They go knock you till you even enter another thing. You understand? So it is real, because a lot of arguments, some people saying this is not possible, that no man will enter. Then tell you, man, there's a little man. That is why you see this country, the kind of sickness we food this country, infection is the highest in this country. Libya has the highest infection. You see, if you check 100% of African men in this country and African ladies in this country, before you see somebody that is healthy enough, that is healthy, before you go see him, you go be like 20%, 80% carry sickness for body dey waka. I say 80% carry sickness for body dey waka. You dey see am because those ones there, they are the people that they cannot control themselves. They can pay as far as say they want to knack. They want to knack. Open leg for me, open leg, you open. They are ready to knack you. They are ready to knack. That is why you see sickness full everywhere. So my dear ladies, my dear burgers, you see all of una wey dey burger girls. Una dey burger girls, carry girls come. Girl come dey sick 1 or 2 things. Una still no get conscience of God in you. Una no dey fear God for this country. Una go see you and I go meet on herself last. You see those money, a lot of them no they end up after carrying like 10 girls in this country. At the end, you can't even see them boost of 5 million naira after say you burger 10 girls. No be juju be that. Stop taking girls to connection work. Stop using girls for ashawo work in this country. A lot of girls contact different sickness through this olosho work you guys are doing in this country. Girls are buying every day. Girls are buying every day. Girls are suffering from one thing to another. It's high time you guys stop this kind of business in this country. Just imagine person living in mama and in papa house unto say he won't go find greener pastures. You know say wait till I won't carry and can't do this country. Now the one we go buy in life. Look at the situation of this girl. Just look at the situation. If she is to be your sister, the burger that burger her, if she's to be your sister, how will you feel if somebody do your sister like this? And you don't care. And you've been seeing this girl posting. They are posting her. You decided to dodge your head. You dodge your head. Una no go no peace for this country. As far as una dey use una self, una dey use una fellow human being for all these kind yeye things. Una no go no peace. So I say una no go no peace. So for those of you wey never contact sickness is real. Una wey dey go connection house, dey knack ashawo, dey do anyhow. Una wey be girls wey choose to do all those things them. Sickness is real. People keep asking wetin dey buy girls for Nigeria, for Libya, wetin dey buy Nigerian girls. This is the reason why a lot of them keep buying, because they keep on doing unnecessary work that will take away their life. Share this video and follow for more.
Foreign investment in Africa. Nigeria attracted only 1 billion. One
Yes.
billion. While Egypt
1.08 billion.
Whereas Egypt, as far as 46 billion.
Kenya also got 46 billion. No, it was Kenya that got $46 billion in foreign direct investment.
So look at the
in
difference.
Africa.
Look at the gap. So what was the need for all the travel?
And Barrister, in Africa, let's also remember that is what you do know that Nigeria ranks number 19 in foreign direct investment.
That is it now.
Ironically, Nigeria is the giant of Africa, but ranking 19 in foreign direct investment.
So that will tell you where you are.
Where Kenyans, countries that are small as Kenya compared to Nigeria, are in top ranks there.
But in corruption, you are number 3.
That was just a report from just some quarters. It's not a global recognized.
Are you serious?
Report.
Who told you that? Okay, you mean if they do the one that you recognize, now Tinubu will come last? I don't understand. No, he will come last when it comes to corruption index. Will he? Look at Nigeria. Look at where we are.
You're saying the president is corrupt, Barrister?
No.
Are you saying President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is corrupt?
No. Okay, he went to St. Lucia. I'm sure by the time he come back, he will not become St. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But you know they gave him a night now. Now he's now Sir Tinubu. You know, gradually he's working his way to heaven. Going to St. Lucia.
The highest recognized position by the way.
By the country. So he's making every effort to make heaven. I wish him well.
They don't cheat for Libya. Who they don't cheat for Libya?
I beg my brother and my sisters. This sister, we see her for front of my shop, so I don't know whether I get anybody where know him. I beg you get anybody where know him. Maybe try maybe just try to call us so that we can know how we go take do him.
She need help. It's not like
she need help. She need help. You just waka naked. No be say you know we're not. You just waka naked. So I don't know what I wrong come out for her. So I don't know what. But I know say the girl is not correct. It's not normal.
Okay.
You see crying for him baby, knitting bikini. So I don't know where he keep in children. You see him. So I don't know anybody where you know they can make it. Let us know. God will bless us. And God will see help us. So maybe no enter this kind of condition.
Ìyá mi, bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin sister mi, brother mi, ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní sú yín, ẹ̀yin náà ò ní sú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sister tí ẹ ń wò lójú àwòrán yìí, ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ jẹ́ kó kan àwọn ẹbí wọn lára. Orúkọ wọn ni Rukayat, wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí Ìbàdàn. Wọ́n ní agbègbè ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn nìbàdàn ní Adékilẹ̀ ní oríta Àpèrín. Wọ́n wà ní ìlú Libya bíbáyìí. Àwọn community wọ́n fẹ́ dá wọn padà sílé, ìyẹn Yorùbá community wọ́n fẹ́ dá wọn padà sílé. Ọ̀la ló yẹ kí flight wọn kó gbéra gbọ́n ní nọ́mbà family kankan tó bá tẹ̀ wá délé ta ló fẹ́ lọ bá ní nọ́mbà family kankan àǹtí yóò rántí anything mọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ yín tẹ́ bá mọ family wọn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ DM mi ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Flight tó ń lọ nísìn àǹtí yóò lè bá flight yìí lọ ní ọ̀la mọ́ because ọmọ anybody tó fẹ́ lọ dé bá gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kankan gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kankan. Owó community náà fẹ́ fi ṣe Yorùbá community náà fẹ́ ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì fún àǹtí fún ara wọn bọ̀ kọ́ kẹ̀ lè mọ ẹbí wọn kọ́ lè mọ ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni tó máa dé sí because ọ̀ràn ti ẹbí kankan ọ̀mọ ẹbí kankan mọ́. Ó ní Adékilẹ̀ ní oríta Àpèrín nílùú Ìbàdàn. Rukayat ní orúkọ wọn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ kó kọ́ àwọn ẹbí wọn lára. Ó ní Àmírà òun ni orúkọ bọ́gà wọn. Ìwọ tó bá jẹ́ Àmírà nínú Libya tó bá gbé wọn wọlé jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mẹ́sẹ̀jì mi kò sí community kankan tó fẹ́ mú ẹlẹ̀ kò sí gbowó kankan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ owó ara wọn ló fẹ́ fi ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì láti dá àǹtí padà sílé bọ̀tọ́lá wípé mú ẹbí wọn kankan. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ jẹ́ kó kan fídíò ẹ jẹ́ kó kan àwọn òbí wọn lára. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kankan. Àwọn community Yorùbá community náà fẹ́ ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì fún lady wọ́n dẹ̀ ti rà fún ó yẹ kó bá flight tó ń lọ lọ́nà ó yẹ kó bá lọ bọ́ọ̀lá wípé kò mọlé kò dẹ̀ ní nọ́mbà ẹbí kankan. Àmírà ní bọ́gà Rukayat. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run wọ́n bọ́gẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ló gbé wọlé àbí wọ́n ló ṣe agent tó fi dé bíbà jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run DM mi. Ìwọ òbí ẹ̀ náà tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ló ní kan gbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kankan owó ara wọn náà fẹ́ fi help ẹ̀yin àwọn community ẹ DM mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣé ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Mo rò pé gbogbo pátápátá la ti rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú fídíò yìí. Ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó báwo ló ṣe rí? Mo mọ̀ pé lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Adùn ló máa ń gbẹ̀yìn ewúro, adùn ló máa gbẹ̀yìn àwọn ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè. Ó ń ṣọmọ olóko bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àní sín pẹ̀lú ògo ẹ̀. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti fi comment yìí náà sínú comment section. Ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tẹ like, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa share. Ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó? Ire o. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.